Hey guys, it's like 1 and Brandon took the baby to his mom's so she could see them for a while and so I could get some sleep, but it seems like every time he leaves I can't sleep. I'm probably gonna try to, because I know I won't get sleep tonight once he gets back because he was sleeping all day, which means he's gonna be up all night. So yeah, but I do really want to tell you guys I'm not really sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. Go to the store, pick up some milk. I know we need some milk and bread and stuff like that, and I want to get some stuff for smoothies since I am breastfeeding. And I also did pick up yesterday these Greek dietary supplement. I guess they help with breastfeeding and increasing your supply. I've taken one and I haven't really seen a difference yet. I looked it up, and when I went to Walmart for like any lactation cookies or teas, this is all they had. So I'm giving this a try, and if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to go to Target, and I know Target sells lactation stuff, which I'm not sure why Walmart doesn't, but yeah, I just thought I'd tell you guys that. I'm also taking these Similac prenatal vitamins, and yesterday at his 2-week appointment he got prescribed vitamin D drops, which we're gonna pick up tomorrow as well. And then I also picked him up some Parents' Choice gas relief drops, and we used them and he hasn't gotten the hiccups, he hasn't been gassy or anything like that, so I'm pretty sure they work. And they were like $5 cheaper than like all of the other gas drops and gripe water and stuff. But if I see that they aren't working or aren't really helping, I'm going to try the gripe water. But yeah, I'm gonna try to sleep until he gets back because I know he's gonna be up. So yeah, so it's 10, and I forgot to tell you guys I ordered a breast pump, and it says that it's delivered, so I'm gonna go check the mail and see if it's here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is the stuff it came with. It came with 2 packs of disposable nursing pads, the 2 breast shields, 2 bottles, cord, and 2 extra pieces, and then the machine itself with this little case. So yeah, that was pretty cool, and it was insurance supplied, so that was cool, and it came really fast. So I'm just having some breakfast. I'm making potatoes with some eggs and spinach. Still sleeping, so I'm gonna try to make and eat that before he wakes up. Hello, little guy. Yeah, and then I'm going to get him dressed and probably go to the store, and then we'll take a shower before I go to the store, and then I'm gonna try to film another video, so that should be fun. This is the finished product. This is just eggs and spinach with some potatoes. I'm trying to put some sriracha on. Oops. To that. So yeah, he's still asleep, so I'm gonna eat while he's still sleeping. Oh, he's so handsome. So I'll be back after I eat. Look who's awake. Say hi. Hi. Carter. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? Hi guys. I haven't gotten to take a shower yet because he woke up and just ate and now he's a little fussy, so. But Brand went to the store for some milk and stuff. And I'm gonna try to find the time to take a shower and then, yeah. But he's already changed and all that. He's just chilling. I'm waiting for him to fall asleep. He was being so cranky until I put him in this toy. And then he's just hanging out. Hi, buddy. I just got done taking a quick bath while he was eating. So, yeah, now I'm just going to take these Greek capsules. I'm taking two. Take 3 times a day. And I am starting to see a difference now. But, yeah, my breast pump works really good. And if you guys want to know how I got that free through my insurance, I'll leave some information about it in the description. Also, but yeah, that's all we did today. We didn't end up going to the store because it just got late and he was fussy, so probably gonna end up going to sleep here in a little bit. So thank you guys for watching.